Hello, students. This year, the situation we are facing is very unusual. The circumstances are not so favorable, but life must go on, and so should education. So, today, let us begin with our first chapter in English language, that is, sentences. Firstly, here is a picture given to help you understand the difference between a correct and an incorrect sentence. Meadow the is zebra through walking the. Read the above group of words. Does it make any sense? No, it does not make sense. We cannot call it a sentence. Now read the group of words given below. The zebra is walking through the meadow. These group of words make complete sense because we can understand what this group of words is trying to express. So we will call this a sentence. So what is a sentence? A group of words that make complete sense and express a thought is called a sentence. We use sentence when we speak, read or write. All sentences begin with a capital letter, ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamatory mark. These punctuation marks are used for different kinds of sentences. Now, let us begin with the kind of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. Number 1, assertive or declarative sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, exclamatory sentence. And number 4, imperative sentence. Let us learn these types of sentences separately and in detail. Number 1, assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that states or declares something is known as an assertive sentence. It will always end with a full stop. Let us read 3 examples to understand this sentence better. Mark went to the supermarket with his mom. All the students agreed to play a friendly match. Tina completed her homework on time. All these 3 sentences ends with a full stop and also states or declares something. So, we will call these 3 sentences assertive or declarative sentence. Now, the second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is an interrogative sentence. It will always end with a question mark. Let us read 3 examples to understand this type in a better way. Why were you late for the class today morning? Can you lend me a red pencil? How much time is left for the train to arrive? These 3 sentences end with a question mark. Thus, it is an interrogative sentence. These 3 sentences also tend to ask something to someone about something. So, these are interrogative sentences. Let us move on to the third type. Exclamatory sentence. When a sentence expresses a strong feeling, it is called an exclamatory sentence. It always ends with an exclamation mark. For example, "Oh no, we lost the match. What a beautiful painting. How fast he runs." These 3 sentences express a strong feeling about something, even if it is losing a match or a beautiful picture being described or the speed of a boy. These 3 sentences also has the exclamation mark at the end of the statement or in the middle. These 3 kinds are from the exclamatory sentence. Let us go on to the fourth type of sentence, imperative sentence. When a sentence gives an order, command, request or suggestion, it is called an imperative sentence. For example, please give me a glass of water. Shut the door. Let's watch a movie. These 3 sentences tend to request for a glass of water. It orders to shut the door and it also suggests to watch a movie. So, these 3 sentences fall under the imperative sentence category. So, this is how we end today's lesson. Go through the exercises given to you. Stay home, stay safe, and listen to your parents.